Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Beta, today we will start chapter 1, exercise 1.1. Clear? So open your books, page number 9. Clear? Look at the A part. Write the missing numbers. Clear? Here we write the missing number. First of all, you have to speak the counting and write the missing numbers. Clear? Which number is this? 101. What come after 101? 102. Next, क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? 103. So here we write 103. What come after 103? 101, 102, 103 and 104. So here we write 104. 104. What come after 104? 105. 105 तो लिखा हुआ है. हमने क्या करना है? जो मिसिंग है वो नंबर लिखने हैं. So what come after 105? Yes, 106. So here we write 106. What come after 106? Yes, 107. So here we write 107. What come after 107? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. So here we write 108. Clear? Next 109. ये तो already लिखा हुआ है. Then 110. Clear? In this way, beta, you have to complete the A part and write the missing letters. Clear? Now, beta, move to the B part. Write the number. We have given the number name and we have to write the number. Clear? This is the number name and on this side we have to write the number. Clear? Now read this number name. 135. First of all, on this side write the places. Ones, tens, 100. Clear? Now check how many hundreds are there. How many? 100. How many hundreds are there? 100. So under 100 we will write 1. Clear? How many hundreds are there? 1. So under 100 we will write 1. Clear? Then 35. 30 means how many tens are there? 3. 3 tens are 30. In 30 we have 3 tens. So under T we will write 3. Then we have 5. So how many ones are there? 5 ones are 5. So how many ones are there? 5. So under ones we will write 5. 135. How many hundreds we have? 100. So in this place we will write 1, then 35. 30 means 3 tens. You have done in grade 1 na? 30 means 3 tens. So under tens we will write 3. Then we have 5. That means we have 5 ones. So under O we will write 5. 135. Clear? Now second part. 118. First of all, we will write places. Ones, tens, hundred. Clear? 100. Clear हो रहा है ना? इसमें कितने 100 हैं? 100. So under H we will write 1. Then we have 18. 18 means, okay, you tell me in 18 how many tens are there and how many ones are there? Grade 1 में आप करके आए हो ना? In 18 how many tens are there? How many tens are there? 110. So under T we will write 1. And how many ones are there? 8. So we will write 8 under O. Clear? Now third part. 168. Clear? First of all, write the places. Ones, tens. Clear? How many hundreds are there? 100. How many hundred? 1. So under H we will write 1. Then we have 68. In 60, how many tens are there? Yes, tell me. How many tens are there? 6 tens. Clear? So under T we will write 6. Clear? Then 8. How many ones are there? 8. So we will write 8 under ones. Clear? 168. Beta, look at here. As you have done in grade 1. Grade 1 में हमने कैसे किया था? 68. That means you have 6 bundle of 10 pencils and each bundle have 10 pencils. So that means we have 6 tens. Clear? And जो लूज होती थी उसको हम किसमें काउंट करते थे? वंस में. तो इसमें हमारे पास लूज कितनी पेंसिल्स हैं? 8. So under O we will write 8. This you have done in grade 1. Clear? So in the same way we have written here how many tens are there? 6. 60. That means 6 tens. ठीक है? और ones कितने हैं? 8. Clear? In the same way you have to complete the B part. Clear? Now move to the C part. You have to complete this table. Clear? In this we have given the number and we have to write the number name. Clear? Which number is this, beta? 115. Which number is this? 115. Now tell me how many hundreds are there? 100. So how many hundred? 100. Under H we will write 1. Then 15. In 15 we have 1 10 and 5 ones. We have 1 10 and 5 ones. Clear? Now we have to write the number name. 100. 1 100 1 5 15. Clear? In second part we have given 102. We have given 102. So in 102 how many hundred are there? Yes, 1. So under H we will write 1. In this we have given 1. Clear? Then how many tens are there? How many tens are there, beta? 0 tens. Clear? Then how many ones are there? 100. 100 तो हमने अंडर में h 1 लिख दिया. Then how many tens are there? No tens. That means 0. So under t we have written 0. Then 2. That means 2 ones. So under O we will write 2. So in this box you will write 2. Clear? Then number name of 102. 102. TWO2. Clear? Then we have 179. 179. So how many hundreds are there? Yes, 1. Then 79. In 79 we have 7 tens and 9 ones. So under T we will write 7 and under O we will write 9. In 79 we have 7 tens and 9 ones. Clear? So write the number name 179. Clear? So beta you have to complete the C part. Clear? You have to write the missing box. Clear? Now beta move to the D part. Look at here. Write the greater number in the bigger flower. Write the smaller number in the small flower. Clear? We have given 2 numbers and we have to write the greater number in bigger flower. जो बड़ा नंबर होगा उसको हम बड़े फ्लावर में रखेंगे और जो छोटा होगा उसको छोटे फ्लावर में. Clear? Look at here. Which number is greater? Clear? First of all beta you have to write the places. Clear? Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Clear? We will compare the first place of both the numbers. Here we have 100 place, here we have 100 place. On this side we have under 100, which number is this? 1. And in 150 we have under 100 1. इधर भी 1 है, इधर भी 1 है. तो क्या हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कौन सा नंबर बड़ा और कौन सा नंबर छोटा है? नो, बिकॉज बोथ द नंबर्स आर सेम. यहाँ भी 1 है, यहाँ भी 1 है. तो इससे तो हमें नहीं पता चल सकता. सो we will move to the next digit. Clear? Under tens here we have 2 and on this side under tens we have 5. So tell me which is greater, 2 or 5? Yes, बड़ा कौन सा है? 2 बड़ा या 5 बड़ा है? बताओ 2 बड़ा या 5 बड़ा है? Yes, 5. So this number is greater. Clear? यहाँ पे 2 था but 2 तो छोटा है. यहाँ पे क्या है? 5. So 5 is greater. So 150 is greater. बड़ा नंबर है तो इसको हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? बड़े फ्लावर में. So write down 150. Clear? अगर ये बड़ा है तो ये क्या हो गया? छोटा हो गया. तो इसको हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? स्मॉल फ्लावर में. So here we write 129. Clear? Now beta look at the second part. Here we have 199 and 160. 165. सबसे पहले हमने क्या करना है, प्लेसेस लिखनी है. क्लियर? वंस, टेंस, 100, ones, tens, 100. Clear? Now we will compare the hundreds place. Clear? In 199 we have 100. Under H we have 1, and in 165 we have 1 under H. Again same हो गया ना, यहाँ पे भी अंडर एच क्या था, 1 था, यहाँ पे भी अंडर एच 1 था. तो हमने क्या किया था, we will move to next digit. On this side under h we have 1, and in 165 under h we have 1. तो हम कंपेयर तो कर ही नहीं सकते कि कौन सा नंबर बड़ा और कौन सा नंबर छोटा है. क्लियर? सो we will move to next digit. Under t here we have 9, and in 165 under t we have 6. So now tell me which is greater, 9 or 6? Which is greater? Yes, 9. 9 is greater and 6 is smaller. So our number 199 is greater and 165 is smaller. So we will write 199 in bigger flower. 199 and 165 in smaller flower. 165. Clear? So beta you have to do the third part. Clear? In the same way you have to do the third part. Now beta move to the E part. Look at here. Write the numbers from the smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. You have to write these numbers from smallest to greatest. That means सबसे पहले आपने कौन सा नंबर लिखना है, छोटा, फिर थोड़ा उससे बड़ा, फिर बड़ा, फिर लास्ट में सबसे बड़ा. Clear? We have given these numbers. Clear? First of all, check the first place. In 147 we have 1. In 129 we have 1. In 174 we have 1. In 135 1. In 199 again we have 1. In 152 1. 106 1. 118 1. सो इससे तो कंपेयर ही नहीं हो सकता कि कौन सा नंबर सबसे पहले लिखा जाए और कौन सा नंबर बाद में लिखा जाए. क्लियर? सो नाउ वी विल चेक द नेक्स्ट डिजिट. क्लियर? इन 147 वी हैव 4. इन 129 2. 174 7. 135 3. 199 9. 152 5. 106 0. 118 1. सो जहाँ से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट होती है हम वहाँ से देखेंगे. फ्रॉम 0. इन 106 वी हैव 0. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट 106. देन कौन सा नंबर आता है, 1. चेक करो सेकंड डिजिट पे 1 है कहीं पे. 147 129 5 152 106 118. यहाँ पे चेक करो सेकंड डिजिट कौन सा है, 1. सो आफ्टर 106 we will write 118. देन 2 चेक करो, 2 है सेकंड डिजिट पे. यस, हियर वी हैव 2. सो after 118 we will write 129. Then 3 check करो. Yes, here we have 3. 135. Then what come after 3? 4. So check करो second digit है 4. 147. In 147 in second digit क्या है, 4. So here we write 147. Then check करो 5 है सेकंड डिजिट पे. Yes, 152. So So here we write 152. Then check करो 6 है कहीं पे? No. Then 7. Yes, we have 7 here. 174. So here we write 174. 147 लिख लिया ना हमने, इस पे क्रॉस लगा दो. 129 भी लिख लिया, क्रॉस लगा दो. 174, yes, put cross. 135, 199, no. 152, yes. 106, 180. तो कौन सा नंबर बच गया? 199. So after 174 we will write 199. Clear? We have written these numbers from smallest to greatest. Clear? First of all check the places. फर्स्ट प्लेस चेक की हमने, वो सबकी सेम थी, उससे हम कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. सो हमने क्या किया, हम नेक्स्ट डिजिट पे मूव करें. नेक्स्ट डिजिट हमने चेक किए, जो सबसे छोटा है उसको सबसे पहले लिखा, फिर उससे बड़ा, फिर उससे बड़ा, लास्ट में सबसे बड़ा. क्लियर? इन दिस वे you have to write the numbers from smallest to greatest. Clear? Next beta we have write the numbers that comes before. Before means जो पहले आता है. हमने क्या नंबर लिखना है? जो पहले आता है. For this you have to speak the counting. Yes बेटा, 100 के पहले क्या आता है? That means ऊपर क्या आता है? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. 110 के ऊपर क्या आया? 109. So here we write 109. Clear? Next we have 171. Yes बेटा, 171 के पहले क्या आता है? Yes, 170. Clear? 170. Clear beta? You can also check beta. You can write 17 like this, and here we have 1. 1 के ऊपर क्या आता है? 0. So here we write 0. Clear? Now move to the third part. 119. 119 के पहले क्या आएगा? 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. 119 के ऊपर क्या आया बेटा? पहले क्या आया? 118. So here we write 118. Clear? You can also check at 1. Clear? और 19 के ऊपर क्या आता है? 18. So you can write 18. Clear? In the same way beta, you have to complete F part. Clear? Now we have what comes after. G part, what comes after. After means जो बाद में आता है. Clear? So what come after 137? Yes beta, what come after 137? 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138. 137 के बाद क्या आया? That means नीचे क्या आया? 138. Clear? So here we write 138. Clear? Next we have 110. What comes after 110? क्या आएगा 110 के बाद? Yes, 111. You can also check beta. This one you will write like the same. Now what come after? 10. What come after 10? 11. So 111. Clear? Here we have 183. So what come after 183? Yes. Start counting. 181, 182, 183, 184. So here we write 184. Clear? Before means जो पहले आता है या ऊपर आता है, और after means जो बाद में आता है या फिर नीचे आता है. Clear? बेटा, in the same way you have to complete the G part. Clear? Then we have H part. Write the numbers that comes between. Between means जो बीच में आता है. Clear? Now look at the board, beta. What comes between? 108. Then here we have 110. We have to tell what comes between 108 and 110. Clear? 108. What come after 108? 108 के बाद क्या आएगा? 109. Here we have 110. अगर हम नंबर से इधर को जाते हैं, that means we have to tell what comes after. If we यहाँ पे हमारे पास नंबर है, अगर हम इधर को जाते हैं, that means we have to tell what comes before. Now what come after 110? 109. Here we have 110. What come before 110? 109. 109 क्या है? इन दोनों के बीच आ गया. That means 109 comes between 108 and 110. Clear? Next we have 179, and on this side we have 181. We have to tell what comes between. Yes. What comes after 179? And here we check what comes before 181. Clear? What comes after 179? Yes, beta. 1. You will write 1. Clear? Now check what come after 79. What come after 79? 80. So 180. Now what comes before 181? 180. Clear? So 180 comes between 179 and 181. Clear? Here we have 112, and on this side we have 114. We have to tell what comes between. So here we check what comes after 112 and what comes before 114. Clear? Now tell me what comes after 112. Yes, 111, 112, 113. So here we write 113. And what comes before 114? 111, 112, 113, 114. 14 के पहले क्या आया? 113. So यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिखा? 113. That means 113 comes between 112 and 114. Clear? 1, 2, 3. Clear? जैसे यहाँ पे क्या है हमारे पास? 1. यहाँ पे क्या है? 3. इन दोनों के बीच कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 2. That means 2 comes between 1 and 3. In the same way, we have done this part. Clear? So beta, you have to complete the H part. Numbers that comes between. Clear? Beta, if you have any query, discuss with me. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.